How's it going, everybody? Zach here at MarineMax Coco, and check out this boat. This is a 2025 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. This is my favorite boat in the world. I love this thing. We've got it right here in the Abaco blue with the chrome graphics, black rub rail, aggressive looking black rub rail with the stainless steel insert. It's a Bimini boat, and pushing this son of a gun is a beautiful Mercury 115. It's quiet, efficient, fast, powerful motor right here. Here in the stern of this Montauk, you do have the seating package, so that gives you these jump seats with removable backrests that will also double as rod holders back here on your transom. Your fuel cap right there for easy fill. Your 2 JL audio speakers right here in your helm seat. Just move your backrest forward, lift up the seat, and you've got this nice big live well right here. Flip that back. Here at your helm, you do have a Simrad MFD, JL audio head unit, binnacle, and your rocker switches there. And moving up here, you do have the low profile railings on this boat, which are really nice, really sleek, don't get in the way, easy for casting or jumping off the boat at the sandbar. You do have the fishing package on this boat that gives you the cooler, your rod holders here, as well as your anchor light that'll go through that through the bimini top. You've got your underneath these cushions, you have a fish box and anchor storage, and this boat is pre-plumbed and pre-rigged for your trolling motor there. You pop your trolling motor right here, get all up and down the intercoastal waterway here on the Indian River. Like I said, favorite boat that we carry here at MarineMax. If you don't take it, I will. If you have any questions about this boat, you can come and check it out yourself. It's available here at MarineMax Coco, or feel free to give us a call, 321-636-3142. Thank you.